Right, good morning to all. See here today matrices theory class. Okay, see here next continuation here. Next see here first one is definition. Transpose of a matrix. Okay, transpose here, transpose of a matrix. Here transpose of a matrix. Okay, transpose of a matrix. Transpose. Okay, transpose of a matrix. See here. So in this definition here, if A is equal to Aij, be an m by n matrix. Okay, be an m by n matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called transpose of A. See, interchanging rows and columns, interchanging rows and columns. Okay, interchanging rows and columns. Okay, right? Interchanging rows and columns. Okay, interchanging rows and columns is called a transpose of A. Transpose of the matrix A is denoted by A dash or A power T. Okay, A dash or A power T. This is a transpose of A. Okay, in words here, if A is equal to Aij m by n, then A dash is equal to A dash. A dash is equal to interchanging columns into rows. Okay, interchange here Ij. Next interchange Ji. Next here interchanging here n by m. Okay, n by m. Interchanging rows into columns. Okay, interchanging rows into columns. Right. See here in this example here. So in this example, see here if A is equal to here 2 minus 1 0, here 3 1 4, here 3 1 4. Okay, this is A. Okay, this is A. So transpose of the matrix A is A dash. So then A dash is equal to, see here, then here A dash is equal to, A dash means interchanging rows into columns. Okay, interchanging rows into columns. See here in this first row, second row. So that is 2 by columns 1 2 3 columns, 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, interchanging rows into columns here. So in this matrix, see here in this matrix here. So first row, okay, interchange column. So first column. So in the first column here 2, next one value minus 1 0. Okay, interchanging rows into columns. This is row, column, first column. Okay, next second row, second column. So second row 3 1 4. So that is equal to here 3 1 4. Okay, 3 1 4. This is A transpose. Okay, this matrix order 1 2 3 rows. Okay, 3 rows. Here columns 1 2 columns. Okay, interchanging rows into columns. Okay, see here transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix definition: interchanging rows into columns. Okay, interchanging rows into columns. Okay, see here, this is the example here. Okay, this is the transpose of the matrix. Okay, right, this is the transpose of the matrix. Transpose of the matrix means interchanging rows into columns. Okay, rows into columns. Okay, all right. See here next properties here. See here properties here. Properties of, okay, transpose of the matrices. Properties of transpose of the matrices. Properties. See here for any matrices A and B of suitable orders we have. See here A dash whole dash. A dash whole dash is equal to A. Okay, A dash whole dash. See here A dash. A dash whole dash. A dash whole dash is equal to A. Okay, this is the first property. Okay, A dash whole dash is equal to A. Right, next one, second one is K into A whole dash. K into A whole dash. K is the scalar. Okay, so here K into A dash here. K into A dash. Second property. Okay. Right, next one is here A plus B whole dash. A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay. A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Next here AB whole transpose. See here AB whole transpose. AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, B transpose into A transpose. These are the properties. Okay, 4 properties. Okay, first one is A dash whole dash is A. Next second one is KA whole dash is equal to K into A dash. Next here third one is A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Here fourth one, AB whole transpose. AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, okay, right? This is the transpose of the matrix definition. Next to properties. Okay, write this one. Okay, write this definition. Only use rough notes. Okay, only write rough notes. Okay, right? Next, see here in this next one, So next, symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So in this concept, objective problems important. Okay, theory also important. Objective and theory. Right. See here. So here symmetric. Okay, symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. See here definition here. A square matrix. A square matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix if A dash is equal to A. Okay, A dash. A dash means transpose of the matrix. Okay, A dash is equal to A. This condition satisfied, that matrix A is called symmetric matrix. Okay, symmetric matrix. See here, A is, see here, a square matrix. A square matrix is said to be a symmetric matrix if A dash is equal to A. This condition satisfied, this matrix is symmetric matrix. Next, second one is here. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix. Here skew symmetric. Okay, this is symmetric here. This is a skew symmetric matrix if condition here, if A dash is equal to minus A dash is equal to minus A. Okay, A dash is equal to minus A. So here A dash, A transpose, dash means transpose. Okay, A transpose is equal to minus A. Then the matrix A is called skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so A transpose is equal to A transpose is equal to A. The matrix A is called symmetric matrix. The matrix A is called symmetric matrix. Okay, A transpose is equal to minus A, skew symmetric matrix. A transpose is equal to A, symmetric matrix. Okay, this is the definition. Right. Next is here. Next to see result here. For any square matrix A which real number entries A plus A dash. Okay, A plus A dash is symmetric. A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Next, and A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, see here. A plus A dash. A plus A dash is A plus A dash. Okay, A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Next, A minus A dash. Okay, A minus A dash. A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, first property. So first property, A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Next property, A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, objective sums important. Okay, objective. So here A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, right. Next, see here in the second property. So here any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric. See here sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, skew symmetric matrix. See here any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. See here this is that is, let A be a square matrix. Okay, let A be a square matrix, then we can write sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, see here A is equal to A matrix, square matrix. A is equal to A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, see here A is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus A dash. This is the symmetric matrix. See here 1 by 2 into A minus A dash. This is the skew symmetric matrix. Second result, a square matrix can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so this is this one is symmetric. Okay, this one is symmetric. Okay, this one is skew symmetric. Okay, skew symmetric. Okay, this one is skew symmetric matrix. See here a square matrix A can be expressed as sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, objective problems asking in CET. Okay, one year asking question. Okay, so here A matrix is given, write a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix means 1 by 2 into A minus A dash. Okay, symmetric matrix is 1 by 2 into A plus A dash, 1 by 2 into A plus A dash. This is the symmetric matrix, this is the skew symmetric matrix. Okay, see here a square matrix A can be expressed as sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, right, this is the result. Okay, this result important, second one. Okay, second one. Okay, write this one time. Write one time. Okay, symmetric matrix is A dash is equal to A. Skew symmetric matrix is A dash is equal to minus A. Okay, next this property. Okay, write one time. Okay, right. Next, see here in this next one. See here first question. Right. See here. find the transpose of each of the following matrices. Transpose, okay, transpose means interchanging rows into columns, okay, interchanging rows into columns, right? See here first one, here first matrix, okay, first matrix, right? See here, let A is equal to given matrix, okay, let A is equal to given matrix, okay, hence transpose of A is A dash, okay, transpose of A is A dash, okay, interchanging rows into columns, right? See here first, here this is first row, okay, first row, 5 is first row, so right first column, okay, this is column, interchanging column by row, okay, row. See here, this is the column, interchanging rows here, so in this rows here 5 1 by 2 minus 1. See here, this is the column, interchanging rows into columns, okay, right, interchange, this is the column, interchanging row, okay, this is 5 1 by 2 minus 1, this is the row, this is A dash, okay, right. Next is second one here, so this matrix, let B is equal to second matrix, B is equal to, hence transpose of B is B dash, okay, B dash, transpose of B is B dash, B dash is equal interchanging rows into columns. See here first row, this one first row, interchange column, right column first, okay, see here first row 1 minus 1, row, this is row, okay, here column, right column 1 minus 1, okay, next second row 2 3, right second column 2 3, okay, see here interchanging rows into columns, okay, interchanging rows into columns. Next here third one, see here in this third matrix C, that matrix C is equal to given matrix, okay, hence transpose of C is C dash, transpose of C is C dash, okay. So here C dash means interchanging rows into columns. See here first row right by column, okay, see here first minus 1 5 6 row, here column minus 1 5 6, okay, first row right column. Next second row, see here take second row, right second column. Next many third row, okay, third row right here third column, okay, right? See here interchanging rows into columns, okay, interchanging rows into columns, okay, that is transpose of the matrix, okay. Write this question, okay, write one time this question. Right, see here in this next problem, see here in this next question, so here A dash is equal to this matrix A dash, okay, and B is equal to, then verify that A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash, okay, A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash, okay, right? Right, see first here, see here first one, okay, first one, so first here given data A dash, okay, A dash is this matrix, okay, right here A, this is the transpose of A, so here A is equal to interchanging rows into columns, here first row right first column, next second row right second column, third row right third column, this is A, okay, this is A dash, given data A dash is given, right A here, A is equal to this matrix, okay, interchanging rows into columns, first row first column, second row second column, third row third column, okay, right? So this one is A, right. Next see here first here A plus B whole dash, first we calculate A plus B, okay, A plus B is equal to A matrix is this matrix plus B matrix is given matrix is this matrix B, okay. So sum of two matrices, so here adding corresponding elements here 3 plus minus 1, okay. Next one minus 1 plus 2, okay. Next one 0 here plus 1, next one here 4 plus 1, next one 2 plus 2, next one value 1, next one value plus 3, okay, adding corresponding elements, right. 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1 plus 2 1, next 0 plus 1 1, next 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus 3 4, this is A plus B, okay, right. Next here transpose here A plus B matrix this matrix, so here therefore A plus B whole dash, okay, A plus B transpose, okay, A plus B transpose of A plus B whole dash, okay. So this is A plus B, interchanging rows into columns, here first row, okay, first row right column here first column, see 2 1 1, here first row 2 1 1 right column first column, next one take second row, okay, second row right here column, okay, see here 5 4 4, so 5 5 4 4, okay, this is A plus B whole dash, okay, that is equation number 1. right. Next take RHS value. See here RHS value A dash plus B dash. Take this one. A dash plus B dash is equal to A dash transpose of A. Okay, transpose of A. See here A dash. So A dash is equal to A matrix, this matrix whole transpose, plus B dash. B matrix is this matrix whole dash. Okay, see here A dash plus B dash. So transpose here. Transpose means interchanging rows into columns. Here first row 3 minus 1 0. Second row 4 2 1. Okay, second row plus here this one also same here minus 1 2 1 first row. Next second row 1 2 3 second row. Okay. See here sum of two matrices. Here sum of two matrices. Adding corresponding elements here 3 minus 1. Okay. Next one 4 plus 1. Next here minus 1 plus 2. Next here 2 plus 2. Okay. Next one 0 plus 1. Next here 1 plus 3. Okay. So right next 2. Next one 5. Next here 1. Next here 4. Next here 1. Next here 4. Okay. This is equation number 2. Right here from 1 and 2. See here from equation 1 and 2 we get here 1 or 2. Compare here 2 5 1 4 1 4. See here 2 5 1 4 1 4. Same matrix is coming. Okay. So here these two are equal here. Okay, equal. So therefore A plus B whole dash. A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Okay. A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. First one finish. Okay. Second one also same. Okay. Same procedure. Second one also. Okay. Write this one first one. Okay, write first one. Okay, write first one. Okay, right? See here in this next one. See here in the second part here. In the second part, first here, A dash is equal to A dash, right? This is A dash. Okay, given data. So that implies A is equal to A matrix is A dash. This is A dash. A is equal to interchanging rows into columns. Here first row, first column. Second row, second column. Third row, third column. Okay, this is A. Next, we calculate A minus B. A minus B is equal to A matrix is this matrix minus B. B matrix is this matrix. Okay, A minus B. Subtraction here. Okay, subtraction. Here 3 minus into minus plus 1. Okay, minus into minus plus 1. 3 plus 1. Next one minus 1. Here minus 2. Next one value 0. Here minus 1. Next here second row. Here 4 minus 1. Next one value 2, here minus 2. Next one value 1, minus 3, 1 minus 3. So here next one value 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Next one value minus 1. Next here 3, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Okay, this is A minus B matrix. Okay. Next transpose. See here, therefore A minus B whole dash, A minus B whole dash is equal to interchange rows into columns. Here first row, right column, first column. Here 4 minus 3 minus 1. Next second row, next one second column. Okay, that is equation number 1. This is A plus B whole dash. Okay, that is equation number 1. Next we calculate A dash minus B dash. Right here A dash minus B dash is equal to A dash matrix. A dash is this one. Okay, A dash. See here A dash. This is A dash. Okay, A dash minus B dash. So this is B dash. Okay, right here A dash means interchange rows into columns. See here first row, right first column. Second row, right second column. Minus next here whole dash here. First row. Okay, first row, right first column. Next one second row. Okay, right second column. That is equal to, see here minus here. Okay, subtraction corresponding elements. See here 3 minus into minus plus 1. Next one 4, here minus 1. Next in this element here minus 1 minus 2. Next in this element here 2 minus 2. Next here in this element 0 minus 1. In this element here 1 minus 3. Okay, so here 3 plus 1 4. 4 minus 1 3. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 2 0. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, that is equation number 2. See here from the equation 1 and 2 we get, see here equation 1 2, compare here, see same matrices, same elements here, same elements. Okay, same. So these two are equal here. Okay, so in this is A minus B whole dash. A minus B whole dash is equal to, here this equation is A dash minus B dash. Okay, A dash minus B dash. Okay, A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. Okay, right? Write this question. Write this question. Alright, next, see in this next problem. See in this next question here. For the matrices A and B, okay, for the matrices A and B, AB whole dash, okay, AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash, okay. See here, verify, okay, verify that, okay, verify that AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash, okay, AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash, verify. Right, see here, first here, in this given matrix here, first one, okay, first one, A, B given, okay, A, B given. Right, see here, first, here A is equal to this matrix, okay, next one B is equal to this matrix, okay. First we calculate AB, here AB whole dash here, okay. First we calculate AB. See here A into B is equal to A matrix into B matrix, okay. Multiplier, see here first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, okay. See here first here 1 into minus 1, okay, first row, first column. Next time first row, second column, see here this element here 1 into 2. Next here first row, third column, this element, okay, first row, third column, see here 1 into 1, okay, first row finish. Next time same, take second row, first column, see here minus 4 into minus 1. Next time minus 4 into 2. Next time value minus 4 into here 1, okay, second row finish. Next time take third row, here third row 3 into minus 1. Next time 3 into 2. Next time 3 into 1, okay, 3 into 1. See here minus 1, next 2, next 1, next minus plus 4, here minus 8, next minus 4, next here minus 3, here 6, next value 3, okay. This is AB, okay. Next, see here AB whole dash means transpose of AB. See here AB whole dash is equal to, this is AB, okay. AB whole dash means interchanging rows into columns. See here first row right column, first column. Next time second row right here second column. Next time third row right here third column, okay, third column. This is AB whole dash, that is equation number 1, okay. Right, next here in this side here B dash into A dash, take this one B dash into A dash, right. See here B dash is equal to, see here this is B, okay. B dash means interchanging row into column, okay. B dash is equal to, this is B, okay, this is B dash, okay. B dash means interchanging rows into column, first row, first column. This is B dash, okay. And A dash, A is this matrix, okay. A dash means interchanging rows into columns, so first column, right here first row, okay. This is the A dash. Next time here, see here, therefore B dash into A dash, here B dash into A dash, B dash into A dash is equal to B dash is this matrix into A dash is this matrix, okay. Multiply these two matrices here, multiply. See here first row, first column, minus 1 into 1 is 1. Next minus 1 into minus 4. Next minus 1 into 3, okay, first row finish. Next second row, take second row 2 into 1. Next value 2 into minus 4. Next value 2 into 3, okay. Next value 1 into 1. Next 1 into minus 4. Next 1 into 3, okay, this matrix. Right, here this matrix here 1 into minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus into minus plus 4. Next minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Next here 2 into 1 is 2. Next minus 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. 2 into 3 is 6, okay. Next 1 into 1. Next 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. Next value 1 into 3 is 3, okay. That is equation number 2. Right, see here from 1 and 2. See here 1, okay, same elements here. See here same elements, okay. So these two matrices are equal here. So here therefore AB whole dash, okay, first equation AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash, okay, B dash into A dash, this is true, okay. AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash, okay. Write this question one time, practice, okay, write this one. Right, see here in this next problem. So here if A is equal to this matrix, then verify that A into A is equal to I. Okay, A into A is equal to I. This was already given in theory, given 1 mark question. Next objective problems, repeated question. Okay, repeated question, objective. See here, if A is equal to this matrix, then verify that A dash into A is equal to I. Alright, see here first one here. Given that A is equal to given matrix, okay, that implies A dash, here A matrix, okay, A dash means transpose of A. See here transpose of A means A dash is equal to interchanging rows into column, first row, see here first row, right first column, cos alpha, sin alpha, okay, cos alpha, sin alpha. Next second row, second column, okay, see here minus sin alpha, cos alpha, okay, right? See here second row, second column, this is A dash. Next write here A into A dash. See here, therefore A dash into A. See here, take this one. Okay, A dash into A, LHS value. A dash into A is equal to A dash. This matrix, A matrix is this matrix. Okay. See here, multiply these two matrices here. See here, first row, take first row, here first column. Okay, see here, cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha, plus minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha, minus into minus plus sin square alpha. Okay, first row, first column. Next row, take first row, second column. Here cos alpha into sin alpha. Next here plus minus sin alpha into cos alpha, minus, okay, minus sin alpha cos alpha, okay, first row. Next take second row. See here second row, first column, sin alpha into cos alpha, sin alpha into cos alpha, okay, sin alpha into cos alpha. Next time multiply these two. Here sin cos alpha minus sin alpha, so minus cos alpha sin alpha. Next second row, second column. See here sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha, plus cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha. Okay, right here sin square alpha plus cos square alpha value 1. So sin alpha cos alpha get cancelled here, 0. Next these are sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha cancel, 0. Okay, next sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. Okay, so in this matrix here 1 0 0 1, 1 0 0 1 means identity matrix. Okay, 2 by 2 identity matrix, that is IA. Okay, so therefore here A dash into A is equal to I coming. Okay, see here, therefore A dash into A is equal to I, finish. Okay, A dash into A is equal to I. Okay, second one also same, no change, second one. Okay, right? Write one time, write this question. Write this question. Right, today class complete. You also one more time practice all problems, today problems. Okay, first practice important. Okay, not practice, not coming answers. Okay, not understanding. Okay, first daily practice problems. Any doubt coming, send WhatsApp that one, or one more time see video. Okay, YouTube link, I send the YouTube link. Okay, these videos, all videos. Any doubt coming, one more time see that video. Okay, right? Today class finish. Next continuation, next tomorrow class.